What's happening, everybody? Steve here, and today I'm going to take you on a 360 tour showing you how to use the park assist system inside of the 2022 Lincoln Navigator. It's a really straightforward process. Now, I did mention this video is in 360 VR, so you don't need to watch it in VR. Just because of the way I've shot, you should be able to see everything as we go. But if you do want to experience 360, all you do, if you're on your desktop, go full screen, you can take your mouse and click to look around. If you're on your cell phone, same idea. You can take your finger, you can swipe to look around as well. If you're using the YouTube app, you can also rotate your phone, look up and down. It's phenomenal. But using the system, really, really straightforward. So, I'm going to show you how. First thing we got to do, make sure we're buckled in. Even though I'm just doing this on the dealership lot, safety, priority number one. Now, using the park assist system is very straightforward. So just down the center stack there, we do have a little P button just next to our drive mode button there. So we're just going to hit that, and it can either help us out, so either navigate to parking or active park assist. And we want to use that active park assist. So we've got a few options. We can either have it help us out with parallel parking, perpendicular parking, or parallel park out. So quite a few options available. By default on all of them, it's going to look on the right-hand side, but we can have it go left versus right just by using our blinker. So that left turn stick, so we can go left versus right side. And then all we're going to do is follow the directions on the screen. So I'm going to just adjust this seat a teeny little bit more, make it a little bit more comfortable. That's so nice. I love it. I love how all the different controls are on the door there. But let's go for it. So all we're going to do is just follow the directions on the screen as we go. So we're driving. What? Found a spot. So all we have to do, we're going to release the steering wheel. We're going to shift down into neutral, take your foot off the brake. That one's the crazy one because it's going to play with your head a little bit. You still could technically use the brake in an emergency situation, but just for this park assist system, we don't need to worry about using it. And then all we're going to do is just push and hold that P button there. Car's doing everything for us. Back it goes. You can see this, like hands off the wheel, so it's backing us up. It's controlling everything. It's controlling the gas. It's controlling the brake. Oh, that is tighter than I would like, but it's doing it. It's neat. It's working as best as it can right now. Just because of the positioning, there is literally a little shipping container right next to me, so it's doing the best it can with what it's got. That's pretty damn good. That's amazing. It did it in like 2 seconds. That's so good. So very hands-free, as you saw, they're using the parallel park system. It left more than enough room for the doors there as well. And it obviously would be a little bit closer, just based off of the location and where you are. But because I didn't have a lot of space there, it did what it could, so it works. Now we can also do a parallel park out. So we hit that P button, active park assist, and same idea, we can go parallel park out, either left or right side. I want to go to the left, so all I have to do is make sure that I'm in neutral. I'm going to release the brake. I'm going to hold that P button and parallel park out. It's going to back us up a little bit so there's no obstacle behind us, which makes this even easier. It's going to crank the steering wheel to the left or to the right automatically, just depending on which way we want to go. Love it. And that's it. And it's out. So all we have to do from there is firstly throw the car into drive. So we throw ourselves into drive, and then Bob's your uncle. Nice and simple. I love it. I love how simple this system is. It's so good. And we're just going to do a quick little drive around the parking lot because next up, we are going to use the perpendicular park assist. So same idea, perpendicular park. We're just going to hit that little P button there. And I'm going to circle around here first. I want to let's go spot on the left because I've been looking on the right-hand side this whole time. So P button, active park assist. I want to do perpendicular parking. I want to look on the left-hand side, and same idea. So all I'm going to do now is drive forward. I wasn't sure if it would find that as the spot or not. Okay, it's a little tight. So let's do a little circle around it. It should be able to find a spot for us there. It's a beast of a car though. So like trying to find a spot that'll be able to support a car this size, a little challenging. Ooh, is that an aviator? I wonder if we can get in between that. Let's try that. Okay, I'm going to switch it out to look on the right side. One of the cool things, dynamic as we go. It should be able to fit in this spot. It's tight, but it'll work. Ah, I knew it. Okay, so it found the spot. Same idea, we just throw ourselves into neutral, foot off the brake, press and hold the little P button. It's doing everything. It's backing me up. My foot's off the brake completely. It is so cool. It's such a simple system. I love this thing. And you can tell, like, even on the screen, so whether you're going parallel, perpendicular, whatever the case may be, a little countdown timer that's showing us exactly what it's doing as it goes. But it is so nice. And like even as it goes, like it's shifting out gears. So in the head-up display, it's even telling us what gear we're in there as we go. And I'm just relaxing. Like I got the massage chair seats on right now, just kind of relaxing as I go. Okay, all right. You want to be a little bit tighter to that side? Oh, interesting. Oh, this is trying to get us like perfectly balanced. Okay. I get you. And we are. We're just backing up. Throw the massage chair seats on and we can just relax as we go. How's it going to do? And we're done. I wasn't sure how I was going to react to that car in behind us there because it's kind of parked a little lopsided, but it stops us in time. And that's how you use the Park Assist system in the 22 Navigator. It's a really straightforward process. But if you have any questions, drop it in the comment section below and let me know. If you enjoyed this video, thumbs up, share it with your social networks, and until I see you next time, take care.